Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the trade that we are currently in. I'm also going to take a look at future price levels that we are interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video until the end because, like I said, I'm going to give you guys some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. Okay, and in one of my previous YouTube videos, okay, which was actually on Friday that has just been, okay, I actually gave you the short setup, which we are still currently in, okay, and has yielded us over 160% in a profit. Okay, so make sure that you turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss videos like this, and make sure you watch them to the end as well. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. Okay, so as we know, we've entered into that short position, okay, from back here. Like I said, okay, I gave this short position to you guys here on YouTube, okay, in the video on Friday, okay, and I was telling you, you know, we have a lot of liquidity up here. We're looking bearish coming into this GP and 786 level, okay, you know, so I am expecting a retracement, but I would prefer to see the liquidity swept, okay, at 28,118. Okay, I would have liked to see that liquidity being swept, and then you know, I can enter into that short position. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, we had that sweep of liquidity right here. Okay, you can see this big wick towards the upside. Okay, swept that liquidity. What did we do? We entered into the short and made some really nice profits. And okay, of course, I told my team over on the Visionary Discord, okay, very clearly what I was doing and why I was doing it. Okay, so I said I am short, okay, with the setup right here. Okay, that short setup, and I was saying, you know, local bearish CVD with bearish open interest. Okay, and you can see this on this chart right here. Okay, and like I said, this has yielded us over 160% in a profit. Okay, we have taken TP2 at 150%. Okay, at one point, like I said, you know, it was in over 160% in a profit. Okay, but a TP2 at 150%, it is a very profitable trade. So yeah, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for this trade. And if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, and also access to the Visionary courses where I'm giving my strategies away, then click the link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord and the Visionary courses we have there for you. There are some free courses as well, but yeah, at the moment we have a special deal going on. There is a code that will be somewhere within this video, okay, and it will give you 1 month free access to that Visionary membership, so make sure you take advantage of that. It's completely risk-free, so take advantage of that. But yeah, that is what has happened within the price of Bitcoin. Okay, I was telling you guys, you know, I'm shorting this, okay, and you can see that we have had this decline in price as we have been expecting, okay. But now, okay, we've made a very profitable trade. Now we need to look for the next levels that we are interested in trading, okay, and you know, the next levels that I'm interested in trading are actually to the downside, okay, because as we can see, Bitcoin is pulling back, okay. So the first level that I would be looking at entering a trade, okay, would be 27,250, okay, this level here. Now this level here, okay, is obviously this previous low here, but it's also coming in, you know, a little bit of well, coming in confluence slightly with the, you know, 786 level here and possibly the GP as well. You know, if we can respect this level, okay, whilst grabbing the liquidity from down here, you know, this could be a really nice long position, okay. But of course, we need to come over to the open interest and the CVD and make sure that the open interest and the CVD is looking bullish as well, okay. But at this moment in time, you know, we're just not seeing this this pullback to grab that liquidity. So as of right now, okay, I'm just remaining short and chill and waiting for either one of my lower targets to be tapped, okay. As I said, first target is 27,250, where we could possibly, you know, enter into a long position there, okay. If we don't see the bullish confirmation and bullish confluence to enter into a long here, okay, then we're targeting lower prices, okay. You know, we're targeting $27,050, okay, 27,000 approximately, where from there, you know, we could possibly enter into a nice long position, like I said, you know, if we see the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence coming into 27,000, okay. So to the downside, those are the only two levels that I'm interested in longing at this moment in time. Of course, if we don't see the bullish confirmation at either one of these levels, then we're looking for much lower prices, okay, from there, okay. But yeah, that is what I'm looking at towards the downside. But towards the upside, okay, what short positions can we look at? Okay, well, okay, we have a nice internal high here at 27.747. Okay, there will be some nice liquidity sat up here. Okay, so if we can see this level being tapped, okay, and we get the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, what can we do? Well, we can enter into a short position. Okay, remember, we've got to come over to the open interest and the CVD and see if the open interest and CVD is looking bearish. Okay, if we don't see any of that, okay, if we don't see the bearish open interest, bearish CVD, or we don't see that sweep of liquidity there, then we could possibly expect, you know, a liquidity grab, okay, where we can still look to enter a short. But if we don't see that, you know, then we're looking for higher prices, okay. And yeah, the level that I would be looking towards for the upside is 28,312, okay, which is, you know, where we shorted, okay, that liquidity that we shorted up here, okay. Of course, we entered at this level, very profitable short, but yeah, for me right now, just remaining short and chill, waiting for one of these levels to be tapped. Okay, 4 levels I've given you in this video that I am interested in trading. Okay, so we have 27,250, okay, we have 27,000, we have 27,747, okay, and then we have 28,312. Those are the levels I'm interested in trading locally. Okay, of course, we have to see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, and bearish reaction at these 2 levels towards the upside, and vice versa. Okay, we have to see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, bullish reaction at the lower levels down here before I can even think about entering into a trade. Okay, so those are my local you know, internal levels. Okay, but if we do actually zoom out, okay, and come and have a look at the 4-hour chart, okay, and bring up this 4-hour analysis, okay, remember, you know, we're still in this 4-hour range right here, okay, and we're respecting it really, really well, okay. We came out to range high, formed the failed auction, okay, got accepted back in, okay, then we found support at the value area high, okay, where we got a nice bounce towards the upside. We come up to value, range high again, okay, got rejected from it, and now we're seeing a pullback, okay. So on the, you know, larger time frames, I am sitting more bearish than bullish, but remember, as a trader, I have to be neutral, okay. I can never get overly bearish or overly bullish. I just have to trade what the charts are telling me, okay, because like I'm saying, okay, price is looking bearish on the higher time frame, as in the 4-hour time frame, but okay, we may form some bullish scenarios on the 1-hour time frame, okay, which will probably you know, give some nice price action towards the upside for Bitcoin, okay. And then we can come and look at the higher time frames and then reevaluate, is price still looking bearish? Okay, so at this moment in time, yes, price is looking bearish, but remember, it can change very, very quickly, okay. So that's why we always have to be you know, looking at the price action, okay, that is going on multiple time frames, okay, because it can give us, you know, different stories, and then it can actually give us a verdict of where price is going. You know, if the higher time frames are looking bearish, okay, and then we go into the lower time frames and they're looking bullish, and we enter into a nice long position, okay, that long position could actually continue and actually change the thesis on the 4-hour time frame, okay, the higher time frames, and actually change our mindset and reevaluate and think, okay, price is now actually looking bullish, okay. And because we've zoomed into the lower time frames, okay, we've already entered into that long position, okay, and we're taking advantage of this price action towards the upside, and there may even possibly be a second entry on the higher time frames, okay. So remember, you always have to look at all the time frames, okay, and just evaluate what is going on. But yeah, that's my thesis for Bitcoin. Larger time frame, we are looking bearish, okay, but if we do come back down into the lower time frame, let's just get all of that analysis back up, okay. If we come into the lower time frames, okay, remember, we have those lower you know, key levels that we are interested in trading. So these levels, okay, are possibly a long entry, okay. If we see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, we could enter a long, okay, and then on the larger time frames, we could start to look bullish as well, okay, and we'd be taking advantage of that because we would have been in that long position. But right now, like I said earlier, okay, we're in that short position, okay, and we are taking full advantage of that short position. As you can see, over 150% in a profit on that TP2, so very, very profitable trade. Like I said, if you want access to all of my trades and the visionary courses where I'm giving my strategies away, link will be in the description, or or the pinned comment. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here, and yeah, use that code that was somewhere in this video, and it gets you 1 month free access. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.